Welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson we're going to be drawing some flowers. Now these flowers are for anyone who is missing their family or friends and people you love, and I thought that you could draw these flowers and send them to them. So let's make a start. First we'll begin by drawing one of the plant pots. Now they're slightly angled, slightly wider at the top. This kind of lip to them as well, so made that slightly wider. Comes around there. I'm not going to continue that because I need to put the soil in. Let's start on one of the flowers. Big head in there. Some friendly eyes. Happy smile. The petals in. You can just get into a slight rhythm doing this so they get wider and then a little bit thinner. They taper at the bottom. All the way round. Some detail onto them. Let's put the stalk in. Leaf sticking out the side. Mound of earth. Have this one almost as though it's waving a little bit. Some more soil in there. Some grit. Okay, so there's one flower. Now let's put the other one in. So it's the same thing, but facing the other way. Two eyes. Friendly smile. Going to do the same thing with the petals. The way round. Detailing. The stalk all the way down. So try and match the other side. Put a leaf in, a waving leaf sticking out there. Plant this in the soil. Plant pot in. And if I'm going too fast, remember you can always pause the video, and catch up and then hit play. Okay, so that just comes in a little bit. It's got a slightly rounded bottom there, so there's our two flowers. There's a love heart from one to the other. We'll put the shadow in. Let's put them out in the garden, shall we? Just draw a line in the horizon there. Maybe one day these flowers will be placed together. They'll be back together again. Just continue this zigzagging at the back, I'm going to make it into a fence. You can just do it by doing these up and down zigzags. And then I'll bring them down as individual panels of the fence. So it's quite an easy way of doing it. And there's our fence coming together. Yeah. Let's make this lawn newly mowed so you've got some stripes in it. There we have it for today, our 2 flowers. Remember to send that to anyone you might be missing, and also remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other Add Arts. If you hit the little thumb button, that will give it a like, this video, if you've enjoyed this. And if you want to make a suggestion as to what I should draw next, then get a grown-up to contact me on my Instagram account, which is @add_art_king, and maybe I'll pick yours to do next time. Okay, bye for now.